How to reset password on PUBG Mobile. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up the game on your device. Now wait for some time. Now tap on phone or email. Now tap on forgot password. Now enter the email address. Now simply tap on obtain. Now complete the verification. Now enter the code from your email address. Go back to the home screen. Now open up your Gmail. Now refresh the page. Copy the code and go back to the application. Now paste the code here. Now set your password. Again confirm your password and tap on OK to reset your password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.